Arochoko na State House. First, tiatuwe boli muna Kenya. State House ningi. State House na office.
Office ese kusita kwa janga nyumba yo bomenyo bo murai wense.
Nyumba yo yes nyumba yo murai wense esa amenyete. So number one, you want a public office, but of course it's a protected area. To also munotaget noima. It's an office. So ne nyumba ya maskani. Na hadi no office ya ito. Ntuli kura iwa wanto aenda barai. Nago tebanga umati office jiro tatache abantu baro basikire office na kadhalika wegete bigokoro. Bono ekero muraire nda igoiro office ya motaro mumukwani. Enchitino chose eshida nero. Number one, eye msiase kobe kumenyinge. Why am I saying this? Bagusita li barabuka bachire State House. Na hande gentu ndende benga State House na saba ndo ago chikira lituko. Of course mbali bawe kali chibicha chiaku bate bambale nge State House, lakini no maita bara imbali nga baenda State House rero lakini chibicha chitagiri. I'm sure na bangi. Lakini ngakinero ko nyabara igete bakwenda chibicha chiaku yaba sensationalized. Ngabantu gete bachire State House. So what I'll say is this. Kali mugusiwe ko chire State House aba Kenya bonsi na aba Kenya bonsi bali encouraged kwenda State House. Number one, no ancho murai yorobo noiga no tamwancha. Number one, nkiringa tusike kirogo kyobo a presidency. It's a symbol of national unity. Neri bono igo muntu ikaranserete kirogo kia presidency yakoroku Dr. William Samoei Ruto. So temine tinga inchenya tingu wana inere thing kwenda State House, and remember there are many services and things that you can negotiate. Siasa noko pagawe keki is about lobbying. Temine tinga kero kwenda State House ngabono chibesa wachiko moegu magendrogete na magendrogete. All over the world people lobby. Eba ko lobby ucho ikarase gote benga chitiko ikagari uma tebanga richi kondietete kere constituency wike guga
at the end of the day no bari karanta se te ba ko baga ba tanga kora ena na gochia.
Yes bari tebanga kere county wike, of course kere county wike egu mune richi ko ligoteba, but there is lobbying. Ekere mwachire mwa lobby mwatere to etega nega the next budget ekere korosiwa. Number one what they antoni batete ebe kuga na chibesi chabeko. So going to State House ko lobby ose just kwenda kwani president inche as atisa tindu chusiba kwa mbaro. In fact jingo na inche president na inche takonda ngari na inche ngande mukwani ikera utaji edo State House yore munere na kira to no bote ko be president in future.